So here she is. It's a 2015 M4, and as you can see, it was a Cat S right off.
We had to sort of break into the boot to get to the pyro fuse. As the air bags have gone off, the pyro fuse pops. I think it could go again, but only time will tell. Yeah. Before we get to where you found us on Match Channel, let's get you up to speed of how it all started.
Just waiting on arrival of our first cart. Should be at any minute. There she is. Oh, it is yellowy. Yeah.
The lads found that, actually. I've given them a bit of stick, to be honest, because I feel like we paid too much for it. But it's one of those cars that everyone wants. It's grown on me. I think when we first bought it, I was like, oh my god, not only is it crashed and battered and everything else, but it's like a boy racer car. You know, they're revving it up outside and thinking, oh god, it's like not my kind of car at all, but it's definitely grown on me.
Thanks for watching. Follow us on YouTube to watch the rest of the series, or you can click the link in the description below.